Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the fire detection and alert system using machine learning. So let's open the terminal and run python space python file and it will open the login page. So user have to enter the username and password and then click on login button. So it will open the home page. User have to select any image or we can copy the path and paste in terminal. Okay, just paste here and model will load and it will send on mail ID and it will open the detection frame. Let's open the mail and it will send the alert image, like detection image with the time and date. So let's select any other image or video. Let's copy the path and paste in file browser. Okay, then model will load. First it will detect and it will send the alert on the email. So right now you have to check that it will show the fire detection and send the alert email. Let's copy the path of that particular video. Okay, select any video, just paste the location and model will load and it will send the alert on email. First it will take the detection of fire. Right now there is no fire, it is giving the smoke. Like whenever detect the fire, then it will show the detection and it will send the alert on email. Right now it is detecting the fire with the accuracy and it will send the alert image on that particular email ID. This will be the image with the date and time. It will send on the register email ID. Okay, let's upload any other image. We have to copy that path and paste in file browser. So it will detect the fire and send the alert image on the register email ID. First it will detect the fire, like right now it is detecting the fire with the accuracy. So this model is trained on the large dataset of images or videos of fire, and this model is trained on the machine learning model. A Python programming language is used and the user interface we are using Tkinter. So this will be the complete project. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Or if you are searching any project ideas, then you can visit our website www.techieprojects.com. So you can see in the mail it will send the detection of fire. Okay, let's close the software. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.